Working with highlights in Microsoft Word is a popular way to highlight important information within the text of an overall document. Once you have highlighted your important text in various colors, what do you do next? This video demonstrates a few of the advanced VoxAid voice commands made available to you when using highlights in your Word documents. Wake up. Extract the highlights. Go to sleep. Wake up. Extract the red highlights. Go to sleep. Wake up. Extract the yellow highlights. Go to sleep. Wake up. Remove the red highlights. Remove the yellow highlights. Go to sleep. Wake up. Extract the pink highlights. Select all. Remove the highlights. Unselect that. Go to sleep. Wake up. Extract the highlights as plain text. Go to sleep. With VoxAid, the Dragon Professional add-on, you'll increase productivity by eliminating those repetitive tasks. Reduce excessive mouse and keyboard action, and use your assistive technology software 3 times faster than with Dragon alone.